Hi, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came from an Exotic Nudes box. Go to exoticnudes.com, check out the coupon code RamenRaider15 for a discount. This is Nissin Demae Ramen from Hong Kong. And this is a Miso Tonkotsu. It sounds good, and I was told that I haven't tried it, so I'm ready to. And I did a Meet the Manufacturer series with Nissin Hong Kong a while back, and they sent me some bowls, so I'm going to use this fancy bowl here for our little buddy. Alright. So, what do? We take the noodle block. The noodle block, Mimi, and you drop it like so into the pot of boiling water, 500 milliliters for 3 minutes. And at the end, you got your powder sachet, and you have your liquid sachet. There we are. And let's get that worked down into the water. There we go. Alright. So, on with the shoot. We've got our Momofuku Ando Speaks quotes from the man who invented instant noodles. And we're on number 68. Do not waste a penny, but spend lavishly on worthwhile purposes. Okay. So, this is what I said I was going to show you in the last episode. I got this completely nondescript white box in the mail the other day. Hi Miles, how you doing? Good. And I'm hoping you can see this. Check this out. 50th anniversary special promo kit from Nissin. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. So there's this contest kind of thing, and they want to see you do like something fancy with top ramen. So I know exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 3 different things. But they put all this cool junk in here. There's like Szechuan sauce, there's furikake, there's uncured bacon bits, there's shichimi togarashi, bonito flakes, fried onion, just all sorts of good stuff. An apron, and then check this out, this bowl. It's like a big ceramic bowl. Look at that, 50th anniversary, and it's got a Top Ramen logo in it. This is gonna be hot, man. I'm stoked. The 3 things I'm gonna make is I'm gonna do the Oriental flavor, or I'm sorry, the soy sauce flavor up, and I'll do it all fancy, you know, and so it'll look like a really nice shoyu. And then I'm gonna do a chicken one, but I'm gonna do it like my mom's recipe. The one where with the the egg and the frying the noodles and all that. And then finally, I'm going to do a grilled cheese using the bacon bits, a heap of mozzarella. I don't know what flavor. I'll have to figure out. Maybe I'll use the beef. I don't know. Maybe another chicken. I'm not sure. Shrimp might actually work really good for that. I don't know. And then I'll use that Szechuan chili sauce they included, and what do you call it? Some of that bacon and mozzarella and ramen. But the way I do the ramen, the way I do the ramen grilled cheese, see, you get people that'll like, they'll like do a grilled cheese, open it up, and then put ramen in it. No, you gotta fry this whole thing up all together. I mean, you don't make a grilled, you don't put, I mean, actually, I've got like a real shortcut if you're not in the mood to actually go through all that hassle to make a grilled cheese sandwich. I call it the lazy man's grilled cheese. Toast a couple slices of bread and put 2 pieces of Velveeta in the middle of it and microwave it for 15 seconds. You'll be surprised what you get. It works pretty darn well. And it stays crisp because you're not microwaving it for so long that it's like mush. But yeah, a little tip from me, the ramen raider, to you. So, I mean, come on. What do? I cook instant noodles every day. Lots of them. I've found ways to slack. So let's see. Yeah, I got out, walked my butt off this morning, yammered with my brother. But the only problem now is that the hose for the AC fell off, and that's like out of my range of ability. I can't get that dang thing back on. I've got too much stuff to do to spend like a half an hour trying to figure it out. I'd rather like just be too hot. Way easier. It's hot in here because when the sun, as you can see, the sun's hitting the side of the building, and this time of day, oh boy, it cooks in here. I won't be surprised if it gets up to like 83 in here today. But the problem is when that does happen, there is the option of opening up the deck door, but then the kids like to go over there and push on the screen door. So here's the broth. Kids will be kids. It's got a nice miso to it. A nice saltiness. Tonkotsu end of the stick. It's not very tonkotsu, but it's just enough. Very comforty. Noodles are good. Demae Ramen's always a nice soft noodle. Okay. I'm satisfied. Okay, so we're gonna take didn't it used to there must be another bowl. Alright. Little Demae Ramen guy. I believe his name is Ching Chai. Like delivery boy. I could be wrong though, but I've heard that like so many times that I just thought that's what his name must be. So what are we doing? We're gonna go the standard traditional route I like to go. More traditional would be to add, what do you call it? Corn. It is miso. Miso and corn go hand in hand. It's a wonderful combo. But I am cornless, so. This one didn't get colored all the way, but it should work just fine. Yeah. Yeah, these just didn't set up right for some reason. They're not bad though. Okay. I'm gonna go with some mung bean sprout. A little bit of spring onion. Honestly, I kind of like how this looks right now. That looks pretty. So we're gonna go with something a little more oomph-da. Yeah, what am I talking about? I don't know. Where is it? Where's the oomph? Oomph-da. Where is it? I need that stuff. There it is. I was thinking the dark kind, but I think the light kind will be better. And so I need a shaker, so I'm going to use this. This is Hachi Habanero Togarashi. So that's going to go right here. And we are done, ladies and gentlemen. I just can't bring myself to slap that piece of Naruto on top. It just doesn't fit into the architecture vernacular of this bowl currently. So I'm going to call it good. You set? Yeah, that came out looking pretty nice. That's kind of like how I like to do a traditional looking bowl. And there's other junk I could put on, but I'm really happy with how that looks, so I'm going to leave it. And yeah, that's been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Tomorrow we're going to have something frozen, something fancy. Have a good one. Bye.